Oh, it's recording.
Hello, good morning. It's 5:16 and we start a new day, so we need to put my digicard in there. I'll show you how to do the manual entries. Sorry for shaking my hand. There you go, the card is loading. Last withdrawal was 27th of December 2020. And also, yes, we want to put a manual entry. So on that day, I finished 6 o'clock p.m. So I need to put that I've been working from withdrawing my card from the tacho to the time I sign out in the transport office. So I was working 27th until 6 p.m. and this is the time I left office. Okay, from the time I left I was on a break till today, 29th, and I clocked in exactly 5:01. Yes, 5:01 o'clock this morning. So we press OK, and from the 5 o'clock till 5:17 I was doing something else. I wasn't working, I was waiting for the paperwork for 5 minutes. So I was waiting for 5 minutes, which is 5:06. Then press OK. And from 5:06 till 5:17 I was actually working. So we need to put across hammers and press OK. And that's and begin country UK, of course. And that was my manual entry. I hope it was nice and easy to watch how to set up a manual entry. All the best for new day and all the best for the new year, new 2021. I hope that everyone will be safe in 2021. See ya.